How to export Wrike tax to Outlook calendar. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you and teach you how you can export Wrike tax to Outlook calendar. So here is how to go about it. So the first way or first thing to do is to know that to do this you would have to integrate. All right, you have to use the apps and integration feature which is on your Wrike account. So the first step is sign into your Wrike account just like I have done here. Once you're signed in, by the left side of the screen, you'll see the Wrike logo. Next to it, you'll see your profile icon and the likes. And by the time you click on it, a box will be displayed, okay? So in this box, you'll see options like settings, workspace appearance, recycle bin, apps and integrations, mobile apps, help, privacy, policy, logout. So just go ahead and click on apps and integrations, and then you wait for the page to load. So once the page has loaded, the next thing that you will do here is to go ahead and locate the Outlook calendar. So this is it here, Outlook. So just go ahead and click on it. So after clicking on it, you can see work with Wrike tax right in Outlook with this add-in etc. So yeah, the next step to do is to go ahead and click on install for Office 365. So after clicking on install, you'll be taken to another page. On this page, you can see the right top which says Wrike for Outlook, and here you can see an overview of what this app is and then what you can do with it and how we can use the tax for it. So once you can see this, you can see it, then just go ahead and click on get it now. And then to do that, you have to sign in into your Microsoft App Source. Ensure you sign in. If you don't sign in, just sign up to create a free account. After signing in, you'll be able to get the Outlook, and then from there, read the prompt, and you'll be able to connect your Wrike account to your Outlook account. And after connecting, just like that, you'll be able to use or utilize or create your Wrike tax on Outlook. All right, you'll be able to export it from Wrike into Outlook calendar. So this is how it works, alright? This is how you can export Wrike tax to Outlook calendar. Thanks for watching and have a good day.